grace and goodness we did sure protection find. He gives life and peace and gladness unto every child like mine. He hath showered blessings o'er us, praise be to his Father love. In the strife he battled for us and sustained us from above. If thou art not builder, Savior, all our labor will be vain. When thy people trust thee ever, they shall